Hey, que la que hay, mi gente? It's Rocky here from SpeakSpanishFaster.com, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can use Amazon for free to help you learn Spanish. So yeah, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a cool, it's kind of like a unique way that I found that you can use Amazon to really get a lot of comprehensible input and to also practice your Spanish using other methods, including the one that we did in the last video, some of the phonetic analysis training, how you can get a lot of good content for free from Amazon where you can read it and listen to it. It's going to require you to do a little bit of work. So it's not like one simple button you just click and boom, it's the cure to all your Spanish needs. But it's a great way to really make learning Spanish exciting and to help you stay consistent with it and to definitely help you learn and improve your comprehension and speaking ability. So without further ado, I'm going to share my laptop screen with you so that you can check it out. And yeah, let me show you how this works. Okay, so the first thing you need is an AWS account, and this is as easy as going to aws.amazon.com. I'm pretty sure it is free, but we could check the pricing here. If you do have to pay something, it's not very expensive, but yeah, you could create a free account. So this is pretty much an AWS account. It works a lot like Google Cloud or iCloud or any type of cloud software. That's pretty much what this is. But within this, they have many different services that you can use. And I haven't really used any of these other than S3, which is like a cloud service, until I started using Amazon Polly. And that is what we are going to be using today. So Amazon Polly is a text-to-speech app or whatever, and you could hear how it sounds in English.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here.
And the cool thing is they give you many different voices. Now, of course, this wouldn't do us any good if we couldn't do it in Spanish, but Amazon and this Amazon Polly gives you 3 different types of Spanish accents or dialects or whatever you want to call it that you can listen to. So how this works is the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find an article or a piece of content that you enjoy. As I talked about earlier in the video, in order to stay consistent, you have to find content that you like, content that you enjoy. And one of the best ways to do that is to research things you like. Like if you like sports, then find sports articles. If you like science, find science articles. You can really open open the door to a bunch of different content because of this Amazon Polly application. Now what we're going to do, what you would do is you would just copy, I'll just copy a little bit of this article. I'm not going to do the whole thing for now. And we'll go here and we will paste it. Now again, remember, there's different types of Spanish, so I'll show you an example of each one. And within each one, there will be different voices. So you can pick the voice that you like. I would recommend picking a voice or one that you want to sound like. So, okay, so we're here. This is the only text we have. I don't know why I pulled it down that far, but all right, let's listen.
El caso fue referido por el Departamento de Justicia a la OPCE el 9 de diciembre del año pasado, con una recomendación de que se investigara la conducta de Miranda Rivera, de Cruz Rivera y de otra empleada de la oficina.
So you can see she is reading this text. This is a little inconvenient, but let me pull this down a little so we can at least listen while they read it. All right, so we have here. Okay, cool. Now let's listen to Conchita.
El caso fue referido por el Departamento de Justicia a la OPCE el 9 de diciembre del año pasado, con una recomendación de que se investigara la conducta de Miranda Rivera, de...
Okay, and then we can go here.
El caso fue referido por el Departamento de Justicia a la OPCE el 9 de diciembre del año pasado, con una recomendación de...
I never tried what's the difference between neural or... So this just must be a different type of quality, but I just usually leave it on standard. Then We'll go to, let's try Mexican Spanish. So they only have one voice for Mexican Spanish.
El caso fue referido por el Departamento de Justicia a la OPFE el 9 de diciembre de año pasado, con una recomendación de que se investigara la conducta de Miranda Rivera, de Cruz Rivera y de otra empleada de la oficina.
All right, now let's go to Spanish in the US.
El caso fue referido por el Departamento de Justicia a la OPFE.
Now, when this says Spanish in the US, I'm assuming it means Spanish that, of course, is spoken in the US, but also Latin American Spanish.
el 9 de diciembre del año pasado, con una recomendación de que se investigara la conducta de Miranda Rivera.
El caso fue referido por el Departamento de Justicia a la OPFE el 9 de diciembre del año pasado, con una recomendación de que se investigara.
El caso fue referido por el Departamento de Justicia a la OPFE el 9 de diciembre del año pasado, con una recomendación de que se investigara.
Now, the voice that you choose is really going to be based on whichever voice that you like, okay? I would go for one that has a more clear audio, one that would be better for just listening purposes. So I like this one. It was very clear.
El caso fue referido por el Departamento.
You could hear some of them sound a little muffled.
El caso fue referido por el Departamento de
A little bit, but I think I would go with Lupe if I was going with the Spanish in the US. But the next thing you could do is you could download the MP3, and that would give you the ability to have the MP3, whether it's on your computer, you can transfer it maybe to a device, and you can listen to it. So this is a great way to implement your Spanish training every single day. And what I would do is the day before the training, I would prepare what I have, okay? I would prepare my document. So let's say I'm going to be practicing Spanish tomorrow and I want to do this article. I would prepare it today. So I would print this article. An easy way to print articles is you just, if you have Chrome, you just go to File and you can go to Print, and then you can save it as a PDF here. All right, so I would save the article. I would print it, or I would send it to my iPad, depending on whatever I wanted to do. So I would have that ready. Then I would copy and paste the text, put it into here, and download this MP3. Now, at my disposal is the entire article that I printed or is on my iPad that I can write on while I'm listening to the discussion or to the article. So this allows you to underline new words, underline vocabulary words, listen numerous times. You can copy and paste this into a translator. So you can go here, put it into a translator really quick. You can copy and paste this to a document that would allow you to print, and then you could have the English and the Spanish document side by side. There's a lot of ways to get creative, and it's one of my favorite things to do with language learning is get creative with different types of study methods to further improve and keep it fun, you know, to keep doing different things to make things fun. But in the last video, or well, not the last video, but the video before last, I talked about the phonetic analysis training. You could do that with this printed document, and you can base your analysis on the audio that you hear from here. So there's many different ways you can go about this. Again, keep the training fun. That's the best way. That's how you're going to stick to it, and that's how you're going to continue to improve. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you're looking to take your Spanish to the next level, if you're looking to improve your speaking and comprehension ability, simply click the link in the comment section below. That will take you to our website, and you can learn our 3 biggest secrets to speak Spanish faster. It's absolutely free. And yeah, these 3 secrets are definitely going to help you with your comprehension ability and your ability to speak without having to think about everything you're going to say. If you enjoyed the video, of course, please hit the thumbs up for me, like it, comment below, let me know what else you need help with. That's why I'm here for you. Last but not least, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, I'll see you then.